Hi, I'm Jamie with Kinetic Chain Denver.
And I'm Ryan with TrueFit Cherry Creek.
Today we're going to talk about how to improve your leg strength so that your turns can be easier and less painful while you're skiing.
All right, so this is a dynamic exercise where we're going to be jumping in a lateral direction. So you're going to try to hop out to the side and put all of your weight landing on that foot, okay? So each time he lands, he's putting all of his weight onto that foot. So anytime you're doing this exercise, if you have bad knees, bad hips, anything like that, you can dial it back a little bit, do a little less width to the exercise, but this is a great one for creating that dynamic strength in your legs.
If this exercise is too easy for you, just add a little bit of diagonal touch. So as you jump, touch, touch. Oops, don't lose your balance like that. If that's too hard or too easy, add distance or add height. Try these out. Let us know how you feel about them. Okay. Make sure that got, oops, good.